Hi, I'm Sara, the creator of Sewing Therapy. After sewing a project, you will probably have a lot of fabric scraps. Rather than send them to the landfill, let me show you one of my favorite scrap busting projects. The double loop headband. They are super easy to sew and can be made from a variety of fabrics. Let's get started. With right sides together, fold each fabric piece in half lengthwise and sew the long side. Turn each piece right side out and press. I like to use a safety pin to help turn smaller tubes. The amount of elastic needed will vary, and I recommend you start with half the length of the bottom band. Using a safety pin, insert the elastic into the bottom band. Use another safety pin to secure the other end. Keep inserting the elastic until the other end is through, and sew both ends closed. I consider the side with the seam the wrong side. With the wrong sides together, take one loop and fold it in half. Matching the ends, place the bottom band on the center of the loop, with the wrong side facing up. Wrap both sides of the loop around the bottom band. And sew, going slowly over all the layers. Turn this piece right side out by pulling the loop and bottom band apart. Slip the other loop piece into the sewn loop and matching the ends, bring the wrong sides together. Matching the ends, place the bottom band on the center of the loop with the wrong side facing up. Wrap both sides of the loop around the bottom band and sew. Again, going slowly over all the layers. Turn the headband right side out by pulling open all the pieces. And your headband is now ready for wearing. Enjoy! These double loop headbands are fun to make, wear, and give away, especially knowing you're using up all those scraps. Thank you so much for joining me for Sewing Therapy on CBC Life, and I will see you on my next episode. 안녕!